This is the best chocolate, double chocolate cake, keto cake that you will ever have. It is just delicious. So, welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm making a keto chocolate cake, pound cake. So I have, in this bowl, I have 1 cup of almond flour, 4 ounces of chocolate. I have 1 teaspoon of salt on a tray. I have 1 teaspoon of instant coffee on the tray here. I'm going to also add 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of vinegar. It's just plain vinegar. Plain vinegar, baking soda, and my sugar, I'm going to use 1.5 cup of sugar. So let's get 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Here is my almond flour. It's 1 cup. And here's the other half cup. Here's my salt. Adding my salt to it. Okay, and let me just get that, push it through the sieve so everything is without lumps. I added a cup of butter. Sugar I'm using is Swerve. It's a sugar-free sugar. I'm going to add 1 cup of Swerve to the butter here. And I have to also add half a cup of Swerve. I'm adding 1 cup, 1 1/4 cup of Swerve chocolate. I'm adding 1 1/4 of cocoa powder. Just pushing it through this little sieve here. Add my 5 eggs. Now I'm going to add the flour and the cocoa. I forgot one egg. There we go. Now I got the hot water. So now I'm gonna add the chocolate. And there's just some salt. And I'm gonna add the rest of the coffee, instant coffee, and salt. Okay, I'm gonna let it melt down. Okay, I'm gonna pour the coffee. This is 1 cup of coffee and the chocolate. Go ahead and pour that in there. This chocolate does not have any sweetener in it. It's 100% cacao chocolate. Okay. Now I'm going to add the teaspoon vinegar in here. All right, mix it up. Since I used to own a catering company, I make all kinds of cakes. Vegan cakes, regular cakes, keto cakes. So really, really easy to do. I have already prepared my pans. Let me show you what they look like. I sprayed them in the bottom of the pan. And I'm gonna use 2 small loaf pans this time. Here's the other one. And I tap the pan a little bit before I place them in the oven. Here's the pound cake I took out of the oven. I took 2 out of the oven, but the other one didn't make it in the video. So I'm gonna go ahead and prepare the frosting for this cake, and we'll take some nice pictures of this one. I've placed in the cup 4 ounces of 100% cacao chocolate, no sugar. So I'm gonna go ahead and microwave it. This is the kind of chocolate I use, and the only place I can find it at a reasonable price is at Aldi, so that's where I buy my unsweetened chocolate. Okay, I added 4 tablespoons of swerve in this container. Now I'm gonna add my 1/2 cup of whipping cream. Okay. Actually, I'm just going to add 1/4 cup. Added 1/4 cup of whipping cream because I like for mine to be kind of thick. So that's what I'm going to do. It looks delicious. See how thick it is? That's the consistency I wanted to put on this cake. So I will add this to the cake because the cake is cold, so it'll be fine. I'm Remove the cake with these. I added parchment paper so I can remove the cake out of the pan. Now I'm going to add the chocolate to the cake. Now this is a keto low-carb cake, but if you're watching your carbs, you can make this. It's delicious. I could attest to that because I ate some of it the other day when I had family over for my birthday. That's why you only see one cake here. Okay, I added parchment paper on the side of it so when I decorate it, it won't get all over the plate. Now again, you can make this cake round, make one cake instead of two like I did. It's up to you. It is a great recipe, and it was so good. I couldn't wait to have some cake on my birthday with the frosting, so I had the cake without the frosting. So now I'm filming the part with the frosting on it. So I hope you like this recipe. Subscribe, and share this recipe with your friends and family. And have a wonderful day, okay? All right, thanks for watching.